Have you ever wondered whether you should get insurance or start investing first? If so, you're not alone. A lot of people are confused about this, and many people end up making the wrong financial moves, costing them thousands in the long run. Yes, it costs you thousands in the long run if you make the wrong move. So here is the truth. Insurance is for protection and investment is for future growth. But the real power comes when you understand how they work together to build financial security. In this video, I'll be breaking it all down. I'll talk about the key difference between insurance and investment. Yes, there's a difference, but I'll try to explain the key difference between insurance and investment. I would also talk about which one you should focus on first. Then I'll talk about how they are actually interconnected in your journey to financial independence. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing real life scenarios to help you make smarter and financial choices. Now, if you're with me, come, let's dive in.
Fly with Lucia every day. Find your light along the way. Inspiration in your heart.
Welcome back to our financial journey. So imagine you're building a house. Insurance is like the foundation. It protects you from disasters before you even start decorating the rooms, which is investing. But what is insurance? Insurance is a contract where you pay a premium to protect yourself from financial losses due to unexpected events like accidents, illness, or death. So there are different types of insurance, but the type of insurance you need first are health insurance, and this covers your medical emergencies that can drain your savings. We have the life insurance that protects your family financially if something happens to you. We have disability insurance that covers lost income if you become unable to work. So let's talk about Mike. He's 28 years, married. He thought he didn't need insurance because he was young and healthy. Then disaster struck. A sudden car accident left him unable to work for months. So without life insurance, his family struggled to pay bills. He had to dip into his investment savings. He had to dip into his investment savings, which were meant for his future. Do you know the lesson here? The lesson here is that insurance is not for profit, it's for protection. Without it, your investments could get wiped away in one instance, just like in Mike. One instance, he dipped his hand in his investment and it wiped away. So the next thing we'll talk about is understanding investment and how to grow your wealth. So in this case, just imagine you've built your house with a strong foundation, which is insurance. Investments are like the furniture and renovations. They make your financial future comfortable and prosperous. So what is investment, you will ask? Yes, what is investment? Investment is putting your money into assets like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds so that it grows over time. And some common investment options are: one, the stocks and ETFs. They are higher risks but higher returns over time. Higher risks, higher returns over time. Another you can invest in is real estate. These are tangible assets that build strong long-term wealth. Another is your retirement accounts, the 401k, the IRA, the Roth IRA. They secure future income. So a real life scenario here is, imagine Sarah starts investing aggressively in stocks at 25, thinking, I don't need insurance, I will grow my money fast. Then life happens. She was diagnosed with a serious illness. She has to now pay medical bills because bills have piled up. And she had to sell her stocks at a loss just to cover medical expense. The lesson here: without insurance, you may be forced to cash out your investments early, destroying your future wealth. Now, I want to talk about how insurance and investments work together. At a glance, they seem like opposites. One protects and the other grows. But in reality, they are two sides of the same coin. Joe, you ask, how do they complement each other? So I want to tell you how they complement each other over time. In your 20s and 30s, insurance should come first. You have fewer assets, so you need to protect yourself. So protection comes in. In your 40s and 50s, invest aggressively. Your wealth is growing and insurance becomes a backup. At retirement age, that is 60 plus, you're self-insured. Your investments now generate passive income, reducing dependence on insurance. So let me give an example with Warren Buffett. You say I like using him. Yeah. But Warren Buffett doesn't worry about life insurance because his investments make him self-insured. But when he was young, he needed insurance to protect himself. The takeaway here is you have to start with insurance to protect your assets. Once your investments grow, you naturally become self-insured, meaning you no longer rely on policies to cover major financial risk. So now you know insurance protects your present and investment builds your future. You understand that, right? That insurance protects your present and investment builds your future. But the key to financial success is balancing both of them at the right time in your life. So here's what to do next. Best thing to do is get essential insurance, that is life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance if you don't have any of it. The next step, start investing as early as possible. Small amounts add up over time. The third, review your financial plan every year to adjust as you grow. So now we've talked about this, insurance or investing. Let's discuss. And hey, if this video has helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more weekly tips. And if you're having challenges with choosing the right investment or investing, please send me an email or drop it in the comment section. I'll reach out to you. And if you want to discuss further about your insurance or investment, you can reach out to me. I'm a licensed financial advisor in Canada. So do well to reach out to me. My email is there and I'll be able to assist with discussing this further. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.
Drive with Lucia every day.